Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to get Alpha Legend skin cheap. We will explore various official avenues to acquire these coveted items without breaking the bank. Our focus will be on leveraging in-game opportunities, understanding currency values, and making smart decisions. By following these steps, you can significantly reduce the cost of obtaining your desired Alpha Legend skin, often saving many dollars. Many games offer generous rewards through special events. Make sure to participate in every seasonal or limited-time event, as these often provide opportunities to earn premium currency or even skin fragments. Consistently completing your daily and weekly quests can also yield valuable resources. Don't forget to claim any login bonuses or anniversary gifts, which sometimes include significant discounts or free items. When considering a purchase, patience is truly a virtue. Avoid impulse buys and instead wait for official sales events, which can offer discounts of 20% or more. Look into any loyalty programs or membership perks that might provide additional savings. Sometimes, purchasing specific currency bundles can give you bonus amounts, effectively reducing the per-unit cost. Always check for the best value before committing. Beyond direct purchases, some games feature trading or gifting systems where you might acquire skins from other players. Another effective strategy is to diligently save any free premium currency earned through gameplay over several months. Many battle passes also include exclusive skins or enough currency to purchase one, offering excellent value for a one-time investment. Remember, consistent effort and smart choices lead to significant savings.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.